Hello guys, welcome back on the RC channel. And in today's video, we discuss about the very important aspect of the CFR Indian AS. Guys, there is a question asked in the CMA examination on the Indian AS from the June 17 attempt, and from that attempt there is an increasing trend of the Indian AS questions. So guys, I also make that PDF, and link of that PDF file are provided into description box. Please go on that link and please download the PDF file. So it will be definitely helpful you into preparation of your CFR subject. So guys, in that file I also covered the Indian AS which are asked into CMA examination for your reference. So guys, this is a very interesting data for you because this file contains the question asked into examination from the June 17 to December 19. So guys, in this file you will get the all Indian AS question which are asked into examination by the CMA institution, and in this file I also cover all such Indian AS or all such question of the Indian AS which are previously asked into CMA examination of the paper number 17. So guys, I recommended you please go through that question, and also guys, and please try to understand the mindset of the institution of the asking question onto CMA examination. From that question you will definitely get the idea of the question asked into CMA examination. So guys, there is one also relief to you. I seen that in December 19 there is a one question that is a copy paste question from the MTP, and that question asked into same examination for the 8 mark. Guys, if any question are appear from the MTP into your final examination, there is a bonus mark for you. And I recommend you, I personally recommend you, please go through the all MTP issued by the CMA institution on the sites, and please prepare for that accounting standard. So guys, you will be get the bonus mark, or you will be get the bonus question into CMA examination, and that question will be basically asked in the question number 8 or any bit of the question number 2 to question number 7 for the 8 mark, and there is also chances to ask the MCQ question on the Indian AS. So guys, please prepare from that aspect or from that method or strategy. And guys, there is one another news from the institution to extend the examination, and that examination are held from the July 20. So guys, this is a golden chance, or this is a turning point for your preparation, and in your hand there is 80 days, and guys, believe me, in 80 days you are done whatever you want. And guys, this extension of the period will be very helpful to you because so many students are confusing with regard to date of the examination, and they are not prepared well for their studies. So guys, this is a golden chance given by the institution to you. Please take the benefit of this time and utilize this quarantine time for your study or for your future. I hope you are stay into home and do your study with the more effort and more efficient ways, because you never get this opportunity again. So guys, I recommend you please stay at home, please do study. And guys, this file of the Indian AS question analysis are provided into description box. Go there and download this file. And guys, please share this video with your dear one, and they will also get the important data for their study. And guys, please join us on Telegram. We are active on the Telegram, and get our link of the Telegram group. Please WhatsApp us on that number given in the description box. So guys, if you need any video of any topic or any concept of the paper number 20 or paper number 17 of the same final fourth group, please comment us in comment section so that we try to provide the conceptual video to you. So guys, thank you for the watching video. Stay at home, stay safe, do study with more efficiency and more efficient. All your dream are come true. Thank you guys.